How to enable feedback notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable feedback notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications, and now just scroll down until you find here this one, my feedback. And if you want to enable it, just click on it, and as you see here, feedback notifications have been enabled. And now all you need to do is just wait 2 days and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.